కొంచెం
తగ్గి యాజ్ ఏ పర్సన్
తగ్గి
పర్సన్ గురించి చెప్పండి సార్.
అదే పర్సన్ గురించి లైక్ పర్సన్స్ కదా
అంటే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ మీకు అమ్మా.
సో స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద వంశీకృష్ణ నెల్లి. When he called me for the internship, so the boss said we don't want to give because already the final year students. So they came again. Then they said we are not coming. So as per his request, the boss said okay, give opportunity to them also. So as a TL means as a real TL, so he drag you to this opportunity and ఒక లీడర్ లెక్క అనమాట. లీడర్ లెక్క నడిపారు ముందుకి. అండ్ హీ హ్యాస్ గుడ్ యాటిట్యూడ్, వెల్ బిహేవియర్. ఓకే, అందరితో కలిసిమెలిసి ఉండడం, పని చేయడం కూడా. ఓకే, ఒక యాజ్ లైక్ పర్సన్ ఆఫ్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ పర్సన్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ గుడ్ బిహేవియర్, యాటిట్యూడ్, గుడ్ పర్సన్. ఓకే, సో హీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ లైక్ ఎనీ barriers in between you guys, and also that's also. So if a person give a new task to him, so he take as a like one goal, a small goal to complete that goal until he won't left the goal. Okay, keep on trying. So there is a skills of a TL, a real TL, original TL. Okay, so he got that the skill. Okay, so because not only here, RGKT campus also, because when your faculty HOD gave to responsibility to him regarding internship to transfer students to the number of companies, so he took the responsibility, right? So like that. So he is a original TL from RGKT. Okay, so he have more good career in future in the IT world. Okay, so do same how you are right now doing and keep this same spirit attitude with you guys. Okay, okay. And so last thing I want to say is the direction part of the short film which were made by these all people. The efforts of these people are excellent efforts, and they put all the skills efforts to do that film. Okay, so especially this person taken all the responsibility to take the all these charges and to make a wonderful film regarding teamwork. Okay, so he also a good director also. Okay, so like this one, Mushikana. Okay, then comes to Kumar Nayak. Kumar Nayak, when I say Kumar Nayak, then this called Techno Nayak. Techno Nayak, because he got technically sound, very technical sound in the platform of Linux and different platform also, OS, especially OS and Linux, Windows. Okay, so the thing is he has to develop his no one voice communication skills. Okay. So he's like he's a one database. Now he has to transfer those information knowledge to the other people by making the videos of your own videos. Okay, and you can support your students, means your juniors and seniors also regarding any new application. If you have any new idea, concepts, then transfer your knowledge to that idea and make a wonderful product for the society, public, and improve your communication skills. Okay, so he got attitude, if even though he is not in good English also, but he is carrying, by daring he is coming outside and giving something to the public. Okay, he is like a helpful person to the needy. Okay, so this attitude he got, and good person, always busy in learning something and researching something and finding something, the technology and development field also, IT. Okay, so these are about Kumar Nayak. Next. Break it down. Okay. Now comes to Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar He's a daring person and very confident, and he know how to explain to others regarding any topic, and smart, very smart. Okay. And one thing I saw in him is supporting to others. That is, whenever you are giving seminars, right? Okay, here. So always I saw him always supporting you guys by shaking head. Well, this is called encouraging to the others. That's a good attitude from this person. Okay, and also he's expert. Good, have knowledge in Unix system. So I saw him he also a good teacher. Okay, as well as good a good colleague. He has to develop. The one thing is self-belief. Self-belief. You have to improve self-belief. Okay, self-motivation. And he always have plan B, plan A. Plan A both. Always have plan B. That's good. That's good, but put the self-belief. Okay, and take the positive ones in picture and do the process. Okay, reduce negative things and go for the positive more. Okay, that's fine. And then comes to Prashant. Prashant is look like Mahesh Babu from Atadu. Anotadu. Nizam Atadu. Like some child face. Okay, child face. So he also a daring person. Whenever any issues comes in the team, then he come forward and he take the opportunity to speak with others. Okay, regarding the issues. And good attitude. And also, so I saw in the film when he's acting, so I saw that his personality, good behavior, good attitude. So the main thing is
good land cable.
So curious on the work, especially curious on the work, because whenever we say about the shooting, he said one day shooting, one day work, because he should carry the both. The balancing work. That's a good attitude. That's the attitude you have to carry. You have to take care of that. Like in every personal life, should be balanced life. Then only can move forward. So if going extreme, it's danger. Going very low, it's danger. In ego we have three types. One is high ego, medium ego, low ego. High ego means I know everything. Low ego means I can't do nothing. Medium ego means I know something. I will try my best. That's a medium ego. So like this, he has the other attitude, balancing of the work, and this one also. So this is about Prashant. So he is also from RGKT. He is also a representative of the students.
60 members represented.
Okay, 60 members on the
60.
60. King. So now comes to Sai Venkatesh. Hey, Chandu and Vamshi. Last warning for you. So always curious to learn something, and if you always ask to queries regarding any doubts from him. Okay, always try to learn something new things, and if he daring person also. Okay.
Hard work person, sir.
Yeah, very hard work, daring, as well as the person he got the skill is dealing with the
Management.
So dealing with the big task. Dealing with the big task, Sai Venkatesh. And when he is performing the seminars and debates, so I saw the curiousness in him. He noting every point what is going on here. Okay, in the memory game play also he got the first prize. Okay, Sai Venkatesh, because he got good observation skills. So starting to till today date, he is observing something and learning that one. That is a good skill. Observation is today a most important skill. Observation. Okay, and very disciplined person and curious also. Always when he want to take leave, he called to me and then he said, I want leave, sir. So got a good attitude, good behavior. So this is about Sai Venkatesh. When it comes to Deen Dayal, so he is our client, acted in the film Teamwork. So this is his favorite character. Deen Dayal always like a smiling face. A smiling face and want to take new opportunities. And the thing is, he has to develop his personality. Now, personality means like this one personality. Physical personality. Yeah, good behavior, good attitude, and the word Dean Jones.
Good client.
So he want to also help his colleagues, means friends, by explaining the things which they don't know. So this is about the Dean Jones and not Dean Dayal, not Dean Dayal. So in the film also he acted well about the client part. So when I say you want to learn English of US accent, so he learned that. Yeah, he learned that. Can you say it, Dayal?
Guys, you did really awesome. Very impressed with your project. So you guys develop this project and give me an excellent project.
All the best.
All the best for your project.
So in the group, he learned the US accent, okay, and he take it serious, and he's looking also as a US person. Just the thing is, he has to build his personality. The one thing is, whenever he stuck in anything, any topic or any sentence, he gives smile. He gives smile. That's a good attitude. Always carry the same attitude. Whenever you getting any problem also, not only a mistake, problem also, give smile. Okay, that suits to you and that very impressed to others also. Smile. Your smile is, you got that skill. Okay. So this is about the Dean Dayal.
Thank you.
Now comes to Azhar.
Why?
You.
చెడు బాగా నుంచారు నువ్వు వీడొచ్చి నువ్వు ఇవన్నీ కదా ఎక్కడ నిలబడ్డా
So coming to Azhar, Azhar I saw he's like a serious person, always something he's thinking about something, and he's like more curious about the family and serious, and he also a good person of responsibility, and sometimes he take the leave but forget to inform. He has to develop his disciplinary skills. Okay, everything is good because in the development team, Azhar and Vamsi Krishna and Chandu, so they did well in the development team part also, and supporting Kumar Nanak also.
Sir,
So
he is very dedicated to work, sir.
yeah, that's right. So serious. So he's mostly serious about the work, and he's about family. When I heard about in the seminar, so keep going with the same attitude, but maintain the disciplined attitude. Because today is you have to be in disciplined manner, in systematic manner. Otherwise, others think like this person does not have a good attitude, and they think like, and they give the good, not good marks. Okay, not points in their thoughts. So please discipline, include discipline, and good person. And that's enough about Azhar.
లేట్గా ఉంటే
Hmm.
2 days అట్లా
ఇంట్రాక్షన్ ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది.
తర్వాత రీచ్ అయినా మధ్యలో వచ్చి కూర్చొని
అండ్
సపోర్టింగ్ టీమ్
చంద్రశేఖర్
బర్నింగ్ స్టార్ బాండ్ బాబు
బర్నింగ్ స్టార్ ఆఫ్ RGKT ట్రిపుల్ విజివేడు అండ్ బర్నింగ్ స్టార్ ఆఫ్ RGKT and 3D star of the JB. So he he got the gift from the god is acting.
Acting.
This is a born artist. From the beginning batch also one person we know is born artist. So he is a born artist. From US. So always positive attitude. Always he sings issues with politely as well as with positive manner with positive attitude. Okay, and always going in good way and supporting brothers, supporting the current system also, and always you want to see the smile on other faces. Okay, always like jolly person, always joy in himself as well as others also. So
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
so born artist. I am saying he is a born artist. So if he go with the same attitude, spirit in the IT as well as in the acting field also. So he get good achievements in future. Huh? Acting means all artists means all dancing, acting, everything, singing also.
Small performance, please.
జై మహేశ్వరి
Who is Maheshwati?
That is the kingdom. That is the kingdom of
బాహుబలి
Okay.
Same by normal.
So always right person. Whenever we see him, we can also smile. Okay. So good nature, gratitude. Always support. He support always the good thing, positive things. Okay. So this is from the Chandrasekhar. So BLK Vamsi. When I saw him first time,
he said big data
when I saw him first when he is giving seminar, I think like he's a calm person. And he don't come into the crowd, just keeping himself aside. Okay.
acting skills are
So I thought he didn't do that much of allari. Yeah, allari. Just calm person. So when he entered into the direction department, so I saw him the real Vamsi. So by nature he also got the direction skills. Means the sense of direction, sense of dialogue, how to do the dialogue, direction, dialogue skills also. Okay, so and the skill of communication coordination. Okay, so he got that, and choreography. There is no dance, right? Photography. Yeah. Okay. So always enjoy with the colleagues. Whenever he has opportunity, so he enjoy himself. Okay, in the work. So he love to work. Okay.
Expression of the addicts.
And he got the sense of when I saw you are doing debate, right? Debate upon the topic is education. So when you're going outside of the topic, so he said we are going outside of the topic. So he know way to control things, means that the skill of observation. Okay. So the controlling power, coordination, communication, and direction, all this one. And good attitude and good nature, always smiling. keep space, safe spirit. Okay?
డైలాగ్ చెప్పరా మా దేవుడు అవనే
So next
మరి
comes to కొంచెం ముందర
ఇంకా ముందు
Madhavi. So after Vignan from this batch Ajigati, I heard the girl she want to become an IAS officer. So she is very daring. When I say about seminar, so from this batch, she first initiation, she did that. Okay, she is very daring and also always joyful and playing satires also. Satires. So good attitude, good nature. So the main thing is confidence, daring. So there should be every girl has to carry same attitude because girls or boys are equal. Every person in the world have their own aims. Okay, so we are equal. Thing is we have to come with the confidence and daring to do something. Okay, come with the passion. So she got that. Okay. Comes to Sai Sudha. Same, when I saw first time, I thought she is also very calm, very curious about her work. So, she also don't do the alari part. Okay, so when she involved in the film part, then I saw who is Sai Sudha. Who is Sai Sudha? So internally she also daring. But externally, she is looking like calm and there is humble, face with a innocence.
Height is very high.
Yeah, tallest is good height. Okay, well, innocence, good nature, good attitude, and always, laughing. Always laugh on the small joke also. Even small joke always laughing. Sincere moment is height. And the thing is, she also got the good acting skills. Okay, good dialogue delivery also. Shivagami. Okay. Hopefully. So what I observe is, whenever if we get any opportunity to prove ourselves, every person ready to do or give the best performance. The main thing is every company or institution or college, they have to realize every student they got one skill. Not only one skill, the one skill is a God gift. It's an inbuilt skill of yours. Every student have a different inbuilt skills. So next thing is we have to add more skills. Regarding some people don't have the good voice, then improve that voice. Okay, so every college institution they have to observe every student has a skill, but you have to provide a platform to develop their skills. Okay, and you have to do get a platform for improvement of your students. If they improve, then your college also improve. Right, institution, college, maybe company also. The main thing is give freedom to students. Freedom means in the development of their skills, their knowledge, their management skills also. Today's management skills are very important. If you have technical, okay, but the main thing is how to manage the people, how to speak in the meeting, how to coordinate, communicate others, and disciplinary skills. These you have to carry in the IT field as well as in your family life also. So the message from this company is give the platform where students can develop their own skills, they can put their more efforts and do the hard work, and they can the part of developing of our country. Okay, so the aim of this internship is, at the last I want to say is, develop skills to develop country. Okay, so I am very happy with this all 11 people. 11 RGKT Nujivudi campus team. So I want to give thanks to all these 11 people, Vamsi especially, and Kumar Nayak and Chandu, Azhar, Madhavi and Sai Sudha, Vamshi BLK and Din Dayal, Sai Venkatesh, Prashant and Sai Kumar. And special thanks to HOD ma'am, Nagarjuna Devi, for sending awesome people to this area. So they came with some knowledge and they going with the skills. To now they coming to your campus. Now see the difference before and after. So I am sending